So Elder Health and Living is a memory care community, and what we do is we have 10 homes here that specialize in memory care.
We have 100 residents here, about 120 employees, so it's a pretty good sized little operation out here.
Being a healthcare community, typically it's use it and throw it away kind of environment, be it your paper towels or your undergarments or things like that. It tends to be a pretty wasteful environment. As owners at Elder Health and Living, we've been really committed to looking at alternative ways that can help reduce waste and still maintain good quality care for our residents.
We started out with simple recycling, and now we're not only recycling everything under the sun, but we're also composting. We reuse everything we possibly can, and we repurpose everything that we can.
So we think about everything we buy, pretty much drive all of maintenance and special projects people crazy, because we'll look at a roof and say, you know, do we want to put the same kind of roof on? Is it really ready to be replaced? How much does it cost? How much is going in the landfill? What roof is going to last the longest?
It's something that we will always do, and we will always continue to find new ways to be sustainable, to be environmentally friendly in every aspect of our business.
It's just who we are, and it's just always been part of what I believe in, and how to go about it has always been somewhat challenging, but it's great to have two partners that the three of us think alike. Is it sustainable is right up there in our top 3 questions. Is it sustainable? Can we afford it? And can we do it without imposing too much stress on the residents?
We are just super excited about this award. We have been working so hard for the last 6 years to really get where we're at today with our sustainability and our environmental practices. We've come so far, and it's so nice to be rewarded for that. We're super excited for the staff, I think more than anything.